Ready to revolutionize your cooking and reclaim kitchen space? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to make your culinary dreams a delicious reality. This incredible 9-in-1 pressure cooker combines the power of multiple appliances into one sleek unit, saving you time and effort every single day. From pressure cooking tender meals in minutes, to slow cooking rich stews, steaming vegetables, or even making homemade yogurt, it truly does it all. With 15 smart, customizable programs, dinner is foolproof. Just select your dish and let the Instant Pot do the rest, guaranteeing perfect results every time. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot is not only healthy and non-reactive, but also super easy to clean, making post-dinner cleanup a breeze. What makes the Duo Plus stand out is its upgraded display and added functions like cake and egg, offering even more versatility than standard models. If you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional kitchen upgrade that simplifies meal prep and cooks faster, this is an absolute game changer. Don't miss out on transforming your cooking experience. You can find the best deals and purchase your Instant Pot Duo Plus by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. This isn't just a kitchen gadget. It's an essential tool for busy individuals and families seeking delicious, healthy meals without the fuss. For anyone serious about efficient cooking in 2025, I highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's simply the best kitchen investment you can make.